guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new, hi, I am Ankita and I post videos related to beauty, fashion, vlogs and many more things. So if you are also interested in this kind of topic somewhere, then you can subscribe this channel. Subscribing is totally free and you can press the bell notification also to get any future updates. So in today's video I'll be reviewing this box, and this box is from Ever Stylish. And if you don't know what Ever Stylish is, so it is a website where they sell their earrings, jewelries, necklace, I think in a very affordable price. So I have bought 4 pairs of jewelries from their website to check whether its quality is good or not. So if you are interested, then keep watching this video. So this is how the box looks like, and this box has this spongy thing inside, and I think this this cardboard box is a plus point for us, because क्या होता है कभी कभार हम लोगों को स्टोरेज का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. सबके पास इतना एक्सपेंसिव ज्वेलरी का बॉक्स नहीं होता है, तो हम लोगों को ऐसे ही रख देना पड़ता है. एंड आई थिंक दिस earrings will last very long if we take a proper care of them. So जब हम लोगों का पहनने का मन करता है तो इस पैकेट से निकाल के हम लोग पहन लेते हैं, और जब हम लोगों को हो जाता है तो इसी पैकेट में अच्छे से रख के इस कार्डबॉक्स के बॉक्स में हम लोग रख देते हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू थम्स अप फॉर दिस पैकेजिंग, क्योंकि ये उन लोगों के वेबसाइट से ही आता है. सो या, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द इयरिंग्स. सो द फर्स्ट इयरिंग इज these earrings, and oh my god, you can see these guys. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I'm completely in love with these earrings, and to be honest, I love the detailing over here. Oh my god, this is giving me such a classy earring vibe, but it is very cheap. People will think it is very expensive, but no, this is not. I have forget the price of these earrings, but I know it is very cheap, but it's very amazing. You can see this and just wow, and I can't wait to wear this on something special. Pretty thumbs up for this earring. So the next earring in this box is this cute pink flowery kind of earring, and oh my god, you guys see, this is so pretty. Like I can't wait to wear this. This earring will give you a proper girly vibe, like a cute crop top and like a cute skirt with this flowery earrings on. Imagine how cute you will look and how cute I will look, and I will go to I will go to my friend's house, then we'll go to a cute restaurant and click some cute pictures. Oh my god, I'm just imagining so much. It's okay, but these are so pretty and this will look very cute on you. So if you're also searching for this kind of flowery earring, then you can definitely check this out. So I'm going to give this earring a big thumbs up. So the next earring in this box is this earring. You can see, I know it is looking cute, but पिक्चर में जैसा था वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I know कि पिक्चर में ये सेम था, बट ये पोर्शन मतलब ठीक ही है, बट ये बहुत मिनी सा है. मैं सोच थोड़ा बड़ा होगा तो आई थिंक अच्छा लगता. नहीं, ऐसे भी अच्छा लगता है, बट मैंने सोचा था कि थोड़ा बड़ा आएगा. लाइक यू कैन कंपेयर दिस. ये पैकेट कितना है, ये पैकेट कितना है, ये बहुत छोटू सा है. नॉट सेइंग कि दिस हैज लेस क्वालिटी और समथिंग लाइक दैट, नो, एकदम नो, बट ये बहुत छोटू सा है. लाइक मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था थोड़ा बड़ा, तो ये अगर थोड़ा बड़ा आता तो मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से मैच होता, बट बहुत क्यूट है. सो इफ यू आर ऑल्सो सर्चिंग समथिंग छोटू सा earring like this, you can definitely go for this and check this out. But if you are also thinking that this will come a little big, no, that is not the case. ये इतना छोटा में ही आएगा. So yeah. but not the least, the last earring is this earring which I'm wearing right now. This is a pretty earring, like you can see this. Oh my god, I think it is looking so nice on me, and oh my god, look at this, look at the shine. Oh, I can't resist myself to look in the viewfinder. I'm sorry for that, but look at this. This is so sturdy and this is so shiny, so pretty. So if you're also searching for this kind of earrings, you can definitely go for this, and I will be linking every products shown in this video in my description box, so check the description box also. So yeah. So guys, the final conclusion is I loved the website, I loved their packaging, I loved their earrings importantly. So हाँ, थोड़ा सा एक छोटा आया था, आई थिंक मुझे ही अच्छे से डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ लेना चाहिए था जो वो कितना साइज़ का होगा और कितना का होगा, तो बट क्वालिटी में कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं है, बट छोटू सा है, और वही एक थोड़ा सा मुझे कुछ लगा. So overall this website is a very good. If you are also searching a good affordable website for your cute trendy jewelries, then you can check this website out. And yeah guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press that bell notification also. Bye, take care, see you in my next video.